All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Chattanooga Wood Floors. Got a good one for you today. Over here, getting ready to repair and replace some of this original hardwood flooring. House was built in the 1950s. This is the original wood floors, and turn this around so you can see what we're doing. Someone came in, like they had water damage. Restoration came in, and for whatever reason, cut out two big sections of wood. And they didn't have to. It would have dried out and we could have just refinished it. It would have been perfect, but they cut it out. We got to replace it. So let me turn this around and let you see what we got with. So here it is, the original floor. And for whatever reason, the restoration company cut out all the wood here and on the other side of the wall. So what we're going to do is replace it. We got to lace it in, basket weave it in, so you can't ever tell. No, just straight cut. Now the old wood and the new wood will never match. It's just, this was built in the 50s. New wood just isn't going to match. So here they cut all of this out. I don't know why. So we got to replace all this. So we're taking all the original 1950 wood so we can put it in that front room, and because that's what you're going to see the most when you walk in the front door. So that's all stacked up over there. We're going to use it for right here. So when you walk in the front door, you'll never see a difference. All the new wood will go in here. It won't match, but it'll be extremely close, and it's back here, so you're not going to see it anyway. All right, so stay tuned.